Jacob, a technician from Zaptec.
I'm Jack Earthlet. I'm the production manager for Idé-Pro at the Glengoyne factory.
Can you walk us through how the Zaptec Chill is produced, especially taking into account that we are producing this one out of recycled Zaptec Pro covers?
So what will happen in the process is the plastic will go into the regrind section. It'll get regrinded into a usable foam for the extrusion section. In the extrusion, we will basically extrude the material into a usable form that we can utilize it into our plastic injection molding units without a stoppage in production. From there, it'll run through the plastic injection molding machine and making the products for Zaptec. Obviously adhering to the quality requirements and that they need to fulfill their customers' needs.
Of course, from Zaptec's perspective, it's super important to explore new possibilities and actually how to reuse plastics in our products. For Zaptec, it is super important to have great products and to reuse them as much as